Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a question we get from our clients quite often, which is what does it cost to hire a private investigator? And I think that there's some variability in that, but I think that before you get started with a licensed investigator, you make sure you have some clarity as to their fee structure. So Dad, maybe give a sense to viewers of different fee structures for private investigators and things they should look out for before engaging with a private investigator.
Okay, so we have different types of fee schedules. We charge by the hour. We also have flat fee rates that we'll charge. The important thing is that when you're hiring a private investigators to make sure that you know up front what the costs are going to be, whether it be estimated or whether it's going to be flat fee or whether it's going to be hourly. So you have a clear idea going into the investigation what you're going to be charged.
And make sure that you outline your specific budget for what you have allocated for the project up front. That helps the investigator to put together an investigative plan that can meet your needs within the cost structure provided. And also keep in mind if testimony, hearing, or depositions are required, that the investigator will be required to prepare for and appear at and testify in those matters, and additional billings could be required. But make sure you get something in writing clearly stating what those fees might be so that you have something to reference in the future. Thanks so much for tuning into this show. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you have a question you'd like answered on a future episode, please leave it in the comments. Thanks.